Magic Eye, a unique camera system that uses artificial intelligence to help us avoid major losses. Welcome to the busiest assembly hall at the Mladá Boleslav car factory. This is where most Škoda models are built. There is the electric Enyaq iV, in addition to the 4 models featuring combustion engines. In order to prevent the assembly line from being delayed by a malfunction, the conveyor belt must be closely monitored, or more specifically, the suspended aluminum tracks carrying the car in its final form. The entire conveyor belt is almost a kilometer long, and 95 of these hangers ensure that a new car comes off the line every 54 seconds. The slings move along the tracks at a speed of 6 meters per minute, at different heights, over lifts and switches. Their movement is made possible by the power lines that are placed in the track profiles. The tracks and the power lines are difficult to access for routine inspection due to their ruggedness.
Dříve probíhaly kontroly pouze při preventivních prohlídkách nebo pokud nastal problém. Teď díky Magic Eye dokážeme poruchy dokonce předvídat. Za poslední 2 roky způsobily poruchy drah a napájecích šín stovky minut prostojů a nevyrobených vozů.
The cause of the failure might be, for example, dirt in the power line area or irregularities in the aluminum tracks in the elevators. It could also be caused, for example, by the increased strain of transporting a heavier Enyaq iV. In the event of significant damage to the aluminum track, production must be stopped, causing long downtimes. For every minute the line is not running, the carmaker loses several thousand euros.
Kvůli flexibilitě, vysokému vytížení linky a obtížné přístupnosti bylo potřeba vymyslet, jak prostojům předcházet.
So instead of relays and meter-by-meter checks, the tracks are now monitored by a camera system attached to a hanger. It takes pictures of the tracks, including the power lines, and gives a detailed view of the aluminum profile from all sides. In addition, the Magic Eye system's algorithm can detect loose, cracked, or missing profile bolts and nuts. It can detect if a profile is damaged, if there are gaps in the profile transitions, and whether this creates misalignment in the joints. It can also detect foreign objects or cracks in the profiles.
Nejprve se musel systém vlády naučit rozpoznávat. Čím více příkladů poruch měla nerovnovásí k dispozici, tím se stávala přesnější.
If the camera detects something unusual on the track, the program compares the situation with the ideal state and evaluates whether it is in fact a problem. The inspection is done in real time, and if there is any damage to the track, the maintenance worker's mobile phone will receive a notification.
V aplikaci se zobrazí detail poškození společně s historií poškozeného místa. Na základě těchto informací se údržbář rozhoduje, zdali bude okamžitě reagovat anebo naplánuje rozsáhlou opravu.
This allows the system to continue to learn and improve in fault recognition. In the future, the carmaker plans to equip other production lines with a similar camera-based inspection system. Predictive maintenance can save the carmaker tens of millions of crowns per year.
Škoda. Simply clever.